Good morning, students. Our 7th standard, 6th chapter name is the natural regions, and in these natural regions, part 3, the natural regions given the table are found the specific latitudinal extent between the equator and the poles, the availability of water and the temperatures found in the determine the location and extent of these regions. Beside the regions mentioned above, there are some more regions would be stand out of the and local condition. They are monsoon the Mediterranean and the West European regions, while the monsoon the West European regions stand out because of specific winds blowing there. The Mediterranean region is known for the rainfalls in the winter. These are deserted in the table below. That means this is the deserted into the table below. That means in this table there were given the monsoon region, the Mediterranean region and West European region, and here given the first is the monsoon region. Location and area. The north and south of equator between 10 degrees to 30 degrees north and south parallel. That means what is the location of the monsoon region? North and south equator between the 10 and 30 degrees south and north parallel. Areas: Indian subcontinents, Philippines, West Indies, North Australia, Europe, East Africa and America. These are the extent or this area of monsoon region. Climate of this monsoon region is summer temperature between 27 degrees to 32 degrees. Winter temperature is 50 degrees to 24 degrees, and then rainfalls in this region is 250 to 2500 millimeter. Aggregate rainfall, the specific region form SW monsoons. Rainfall is highly variable and distribution quite uneven. What is the natural vegetation present in semi-evergreen deciduous forest? Vegetation depends on the distribution of rainfall. Banyan, peepal, teak, sal, sesame, sandalwoods are cinchonas, bamboos, acacia shrub and grasses. These are the natural vegetations present in this region. Animals life. Wild animals such tiger, lion, leopard, cheetahs, elephant, owls, bears, monkeys, snake and peacocks, cuckoos. That means the bird and animals and birds present in this area. Domesticated animal, cattle, goat and horse. What is the human life? Large number of small hamlets, considerable difference in the diet and costumes. Populations is mostly involved in primary occupations. Main occupation in this region is agriculture. Second region is the Mediterranean region. Location and areas. The extent between the 30 degree and 40 degrees parallel in both hemisphere on the western side of continents. That means extent of this region is the 30 degrees and 40 degrees parallel in the both the hemisphere on the western side of continents. Portugal, Spain, Algiers, Turkey, California, Central Chile, Southwest and Northeast Australia, etc. That means this is the extent and location of this Mediterranean region. Second is the climate: dry summer and rainfalls in the winter. That means dry summers and rainfalls in the winter. Mean summer temperature is 21 degrees to 27 degrees. That means temperature is the 21 to 27 degrees. Summer and rainfalls in the winters. Winter temperature between the 10 degrees Celsius and the 14 degrees Celsius. Mean annual rainfalls 500 to 1000 millimeters. That means annual rainfalls in this region is 1000 mm. It's rain in winter. That means तिथे काय होते, विंटरला रेन होते. What is the natural vegetation? Natural vegetation in these areas: the thick, small and oily leaves, thick bark, example olives, oak, chestnut. Grass in low rainfalls region. Coniferous forest in the mountain region. That means example here given this natural vegetations: olive, oak and chestnut. These are grass in low rainfall region. What is the animals life? Due to the animal husbandry, domesticated animals are found in a large number as like goat, sheep, cow, mules, horse. That means this is a domesticated animal present at the Mediterranean region. The human's life. Seat of Greek and Roman civilization. Main occupation in agriculture, mostly food and flowers cultivations, wheat and wheat product from the staples diet, customs. Colorful custom. That means the seat of the Greek and Roman civilization. Main occupation in the agriculture and mostly fruit and flowers cultivated in these areas. Wheat and wheat product are the staple diet of this region. That means the third region is the West European region. What is the location and areas? Located in western part of the continent between 45 degrees and 65 north and south parallels. That means this is located in west part in continent between the 45 to 65 north and south parallel. Norway, Denmark, Ireland, British Columbia, South Chile, New Zealand, etc. That means the extent of this or the area of this West European region is Norway, Denmark, Ireland, uh, British Columbia, South Chile, and New Zealand, etc. Then what is the climate of this region? Summer temperature around the 20 degrees Celsius. Mean winter temperature is 5 degrees Celsius. Mean rainfalls between the 500 to 2500 millimeter. Rainfalls mostly in the form of cyclones associated with the westerlies. It's rain throughout the year. Climate is mild. That means summer temperature is the 20 degree Celsius and mean winter temperature is the 5 degree Celsius. Main rainfalls between the 500 to 2500 millimeters. Rainfalls mostly in the form of the cyclone. The rainfalls because of the cyclones associated with the westerlies. It rains throughout the year. Climate is mild. That means climate of this region is the mild type. Green grasses all the years. Natural vegetation of this area. Green grasses all year round. म्हणजे green grasses सगळीकडं असतं. Trees shed their leaves in winter. Trees shed their leaves in winter. Coniferous trees and short grasses, oak, beech, maples, elms, pines, spruce, and poplars, etc. These are the natural vegetation present in this area. Then animals lives. Because of the animal husbandry, domesticated animals in a large number. Because of the animals husbandry in this area, there were the large number of the domestical animal are there. Wild animals included owls, fox, and bears. Then owls. Then in the wild animals, the owls, fox, and bears present at that region. That means then humans' life, industries, and atheistic people have been the mainly settlers and explorers. Use woolen clothing having achieved progress in the secondary and tertiary sector. That means in this region there were people progress in the secondary and tertiary sectors. Industries and unatheistic peoples have been mainly sailors and explorers. Use the woolen clothing have achieved progress. That means in these areas beside the 9 region given the table, there are certain the distinguished region in which stand out because of the specific uh, continental location. Example, the China type of region, the St. Lawrence region. See the extent of this region 6.1. Map. Answer the following question after studying above a map. Which natural regions are found in the India? That means here the world map and the here. Where is the here? Here is a India. Hmm? Here is a India, and here given the index, that means monsoon regions. The India is located in the monsoon regions. Hmm? Then which continents comprise a major portion of hot desert type of regions? Hot desert, here the west is then hot desert region, that means some part of the Africa, then Australia, then which continents then which continents has the highest diversity in terms of the natural region? Which continents in the highest diversity term in natural region? Hmm? That means then why are the fewer natural region in southern hemisphere than those in the northern hemisphere? Which natural regions occupy the largest area in the world? Where else do find the conditions similar account continents of Antarctica? Where is the Antarctica? Thank you.